Some frank talk about sex as the city of Raleigh makes a dubious list. A finance blog ranks the capital city 10th out of 25 metropolitan areas with the highest rates of 3 common STDs. Angelica Alvarez on the story. She joins us live in Raleigh with more on the state's efforts to get people to protect themselves. Angelica.
Joel, today DHHS released some new numbers on STDs here in North Carolina. They say 36,800 people are living with HIV and more than 3,400 don't even know it. And they say the number of syphilis cases passed from mother to child is up 63%. That rate, they say, could be zero. Jacqueline Clymore in communicable disease with the Department of Health says the CDC used to have an elimination campaign in fighting syphilis. In recent years, some of those resources had to be moved when national concerns turned to Ebola and the Zika virus.
The resources get moved and then we see a rise in certain diseases.
And that is the case here in North Carolina, as new numbers from DHHS show a rise in certain STDs. Clymore breaks down the numbers for us. On HIV, she says in the last 3 years, they've seen numbers go up by 100 cases. That compares to when they used to see it jump by the thousands during the epidemic. Syphilis, passed from mother to child, is up 63%. That represents an increase from 11 cases in 2015 to 18 cases last year.
This is an entirely preventable sexually transmitted disease.
Another statistic shows young women ages 15 to 24 have the highest number of reported chlamydia cases. Elizabeth Finley with Shift NC, an organization that focuses on teen health, says chlamydia doesn't really have any symptoms, and 25,600 women are affected. And among those numbers, some minority groups are more at risk.
We do see a disproportionate risk among African American women. They tend to have slightly higher rates than white or Hispanic women. And a lot of that does have to do with general access to health care.
And while curable, if left untreated, chlamydia can lead to things like infertility. So the big message here tonight is to know where you are, get tested, and experts remind everyone that health departments do offer free and confidential testing. Live in Raleigh tonight, I'm Angelica Alvarez for ABC 11 Eyewitness News.